Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, children. Yes, class 11th. We've been doing writing section for quite some days now. So I thought let's go for a little change. Let's do a bit of grammar today. Before I start with grammar, can we quickly discuss what all is done in writing section with you? Tell me very quickly what all is done. Those who are
Ma'am,
regular know about it. Yes, Bache?
ma'am, notice writing, letter writing,
Yes.
paragraph,
Notice writing. Notice writing. Let us go one by one. Notice writing. Which all kinds of notices are done? Category 1,
Ma'am, lost, found,
lost and found. Next,
Notice for event.
notice for event. Good. Number 2, which is the
Notice for
third one?
meeting.
Notice for meeting.
Meetings. Number 3, yes. What else? Change of?
ma'am,
Have you
change
done
of
change?
name,
Yes, change of name or address. Change
Ma'am,
of name
guest
or?
lecture.
Yes, very good. Seminars or guest lectures and
Notice for
events.
appeal.
Very, very nice. So these are the kind of notices we've already done. What about letter writing? Which kind of letters did we write?
Letter to the editor.
Hmm?
Letter to the editor.
ma'am, to the editor,
Letter to the editor. What topic did you take as letter to the editor? What regarding what did you show your concern when you wrote the letter to editor? We can discuss about bad condition of roads, increasing cases of
Frequent power cut.
yes, frequent power cuts, increasing cases of chain snatching, traffic problems,
Ma'am, odd
tube
name
light,
also.
very good. Street lights not working. There are so many kinds of issues which we generally come across. Okay. So these are the general things that we have. We have done letter to editor. We've done notice writing. So a lot of writing section is done. So today I thought let's do a little change. Let's do grammar today. On your screens. Tell me. What topic is this? This is editing. What are we going to do?
ma'am,
Editing.
editing,
Yes. You will find the incorrect word in each line and also write whatever is the correct answer. So nobody will write as of now. Just plan your answers. First, I'll discuss and then we'll write it down. Just discuss first. Plan your answers. We'll discuss, then we'll write later. Raise your hands, those who finished the first paragraph. When I say finish, you don't have to write anything. You have to just plan your answers. That's it.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Good morning. Children, I was asking, does anyone stay in Mahanagar? Tell me, I want to know. I doubt whether my house only I don't have electricity supply or it is in the entire colony. Nobody stays here? I'm asking since first period in the morning. Everybody I'm asking. All 3-4 sections of class 11th, nobody stays at Mahanagar. Chalo, never mind. Let's see how long the class can continue. Plan your answers. Raise your hands. Aditi Srivastav. Aditi, you are in which section, beta?
Ma'am, C.
Okay. You're not regular for classes? I'm not. I was marking attendance. So I came
Ma'am,
across.
I'm a new student.
Acha, you are a new student. When did you join? Last month?
Ma'am, no, ma'am, I'm on 10th June. I started the classes.
10th June. Okay, then you are very new. Fine, bache. Then I'll forward you the work which is done, Aditi. Okay,
ma'am.
Pavleen has finished. Okay, she's raised her hand. Anushri is there. Krish is there. Shitich. There are some students who are quite regular. Nishkash, Pranjal, no doubt. Ravit. Ravit, what happened? You're not very regular?
Yes, ma'am.
What happened? You're not very regular for classes. You're a good student. What happened, bacha?
Ma'am, now I will be regular.
Okay, beta. Anadi is very regular. Anant is regular. Ayush is regular. Chirag. Ifra is regular. Krish is regular. Shitish kabhi kabhi. Kushal. Beta, which section? Kushal Mitra. Commerce? Kushal Mittal, good morning. Are you a commerce student? No response. Anyways, raise your hands, those who are done.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Peter.
Ma'am, Anjali is waiting room. She's saying head.
Peter, I'll take her in, but then as a rule, we are not allowed to. But anyways, I keep reminding you people. But you remember, 5 minutes, we need to log the meeting. Chalo, I'll take her. How many have done? Let me see. Very good. A good number. Let's start discussing. Okay. Those who joined us late can join us now. We are discussing the answers. First, you will tell me the incorrect word or correct word?
Ma'am, incorrect.
Incorrect.
So first incorrect and then correct. I'm reading out the first sentence. I will not help you at all, children. You are so many 4 sections together. All answers should come from you. Hardly any people knew English on our village.
On.
On.
First incorrect word.
On.
Very good.
On.
Yes. Good. We are doing a revision of prepositions also like this. On is wrong. What is the correct word?
In.
In.
Let's move on further. Talk about it. The village headman was the first to send his son.
Sent is the incorrect word. Sent.
Send.
Yes. To send his son. Good. To the city to study. And when he come back, he used
Come.
Come.
come is
Came.
yes.
Come.
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 Very good.
Came.
Very good. Come is the wrong word. And what is the correct word?
Came.
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 Very good. When he came back, He used several English words at his conversation.
Ma'am,
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 At is wrong. What is the correct word?
ma'am,
in.
in.
Very good. In his conversation. The people in the village look baffled because they did not
Look.
Ma'am
look is
looked.
the wrong word. It should be
Ma'am looked.
looked. Very good. It should be looked. Because they did not understand what he was saying.
Were.
Ma'am, were.
Very good. Where is the wrong word?
Ma'am,
What should be the
was.
correct
Ma'am
word?
Was.
Was.
Good. Sometimes hilarious situations were created.
Were.
Were.
Were is the wrong word. What is the correct word? What is the
Ma'am,
correct
were.
word?
Was.
Was. Very good. Because it is written situation. It is not situations. So situation was created because of this. But the headman felt very proud about his son.
Ma'am, felt.
No.
Held.
I'm
No.
about.
About.
Ma'am, about.
Very- So what should be the correct word?
Of.
Of.
Yes, it is of. Yes, it is of his son. It is not about his son. It should be of. Okay, a quick revision. You will only speak the correct answers now. Hardly any people knew English on our village. On is the wrong word. What is the right word?
In. In.
In.
Ma'am,
The village
in.
headman was the first to send. Sent is wrong. What is correct?
Send.
Sent
Send.
to the city to study, and when he come back, come is the wrong word.
Ma'am came.
Came.
Ma'am, came.
What? He used several English words at his conversation. At is wrong.
In.
Ma'am
In.
in.
Ma'am, at.
Very. The people in the village look baffled because they did not. Look is the wrong word. What is correct?
Ma'am looked.
Looked. They did not understand what he
Ma'am,
was
looked.
saying. Where is the wrong word?
Ma'am was.
Was.
Ma'am, was saying.
Yes, what he was saying. Sometimes hilarious situations were created. Where is wrong?
Was created.
Because of this, but the headman felt very proud about his son. About is wrong. What is correct?
Of his.
Of.
Of his son. Excellent, children. So we are done with this one. Let's move on to the second one. I'm scrolling down. When you finish preparing your answers, all you need to do is you need to just raise your hands. Okay, I'm scrolling down to the second part now. Just prepare your answers. Don't write anything as of now. This is a little typical one. So be very careful doing it. It is a little tricky one, little tricky. Just prepare for the second one better. Raise your hands, those who finish, okay? No hands raised yet? Hurry up. Okay, Bhavleen is done. Others also, bachas?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, in last second line, ma'am, there is event.
Most children quickly return to normal before a brief illness. Event.
Ma'am,
Event.
It is
It is event. Not even, it is event. Event of the child fall ill. Matlab when the child falls ill, that time is the event. Let me see how many. 2 people, Ravit and Bhavleen. Okay. Restart. Just 2 hands. Hurry up, hurry up. I know it is a little typical one, but please plan your answers. Now 3 people, Anushri, Ravit and Bhavleen. Hurry up, Aditi, Anadi, Anand. Whatever you understand, please prepare your answers. Surabhi is also done. Chirag is also done. 5 hands. 2 more, then I'll discuss. 2 more. 7 at least out of 27 people. Look at the ratio. Krish is done. Zeba is also done. Okay, fine. At least 7 people. Now we can start discussing the answers. It's a little typical one. It is all, and I will not help you. You people have to do it yourself. You have 4 sections together. It is all parents' sincere desire to keep their children healthy and happy. Yes. What is the wrong word?
Ma'am, parents.
Okay, then what should it be?
Ma'am, apostrophe S.
Very good. Excellent. Apostrophe S. Very, very nice. Too good. Too good, bache. It is all parents' sincere desire to keep their children healthy and happy, but at spite of all efforts.
In spite.
बहुत अच्छे, very very nice, बहुत बढ़िया. It should not be at spite, it should be in spite. In spite of all efforts, children are bound to fall ill sometimes. They may suddenly. Fall is wrong.
Ma'am,
Tell.
Sometime is wrong. Yes, sometime is wrong. What is the correct word?
sometimes.
Very nice. I told you, no, this is a little tricky one. Sometimes. Okay, next. They may suddenly have a high temperature, comma, complain for a stomachache.
Complain
Which is
is
the
wrong. It will be complain.
Complain.
No, this is not correct. There's another word which is wrong.
ma'am, for our stomach is not.
Yes, for is wrong. What should be the correct word?
Ma'am,
You're
your voice
absolutely
is
right.
not.
Beta, you're absolutely
Coming.
right. For of. Excellent. Of is the correct word. Complain of. You always complain of. You never complain for. So complain of a stomach ache or cat chicken pox because no apparent reason. Beta, this sentence is a little garbage. You will have to add on. Yes.
Because of.
Yes,
Because
this
of.
sentence is wrong. You have to add on a word. It is off because of no apparent reason. It is important that the parents keep their cool.
Ma'am, there is
Them
wrong.
Them.
Yes, there is wrong. Then what is the correct answer?
Ma'am, them.
Them.
Hmm?
Ma'am, that
What is the correct answer?
ma'am, it will be
Excellent.
THEIR.
Yes, it would be THEIR. Very, very nice. They're cool, THEIR. In the event of the child fall ill, correct it?
Fall.
Yes, fall is wrong. What is the correct answer?
Falling.
It is falling ill. Most children quickly return to normal before a brief illness.
Before is wrong.
Before is
Before.
wrong. Then what is the correct answer?
After.
After. Very good. Let me have a very quick revision. It is all parents' sincere desire. Parents' word is wrong. What should be there?
Apostrophe S.
Okay. Now one of you speak out the second line and tell what is wrong and what is the correct word. Come on, second line.
Healthy and happy, but at spite of all efforts, children. It is wrong, and in place of it will be in.
Very good. Who will speak out the third line? Come on, what is wrong in the third line? Sometime the word, which word is wrong? Which word is wrong, Peter?
Are born to fall ill sometime. Ma'am, sometimes.
Yes, sometimes. So what is the correct answer?
Are born
Sometimes.
to fall
Sometimes.
sometimes.
They may suddenly have a high temperature, complain for. For is the wrong word. What is the correct word?
Off.
Good. Stomachache or cat chicken pox because no apparent reason. What word should be there?
Because of.
Because of.
Yes, of no apparent reason. It is important that the parents keep their cool. THER is wrong.
There.
Yes,
Excuse me, ma'am.
THER. Yes, Peter.
Ma'am, Nabil is saying that your voice is not clear.
Am I clear to you?
Yes, ma'am, you are clear to me.
What about other students? Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then just message Nabil to check out. Just tell Nabil to check out his signals there because it's raining. Maybe there's a problem. Okay. THERE is wrong. So what is the correct word, children?
THEIR.
Yes, excellent. Most children quickly return to normal before a brief illness.
After a brief illness.
See, it was a little, yes, it was a little tricky one. Okay. Let's do the third one quickly. Raise your hands. This is also very tricky. Let me see how many of you can find out. Let me scroll it a little up so that it is more clear. I'm just scrolling it up so that it's clear for you. Raise your hands once you finish this. Let me see how many students, Bhavleen and Krish. Okay. Acha, Krish, the previous hand was there. Okay.
Ma'am, mine was also previous one.
Acha, it's previous one. Or?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, it's a little tricky. Be very careful. Then raise your hands. So Ruby has finished this time. The first hand to be raised. Bhavleen, Anadi, 3 people are done. Anjali Mishra, very good. Ravit. Come on, 2 more students. Hands. Anant. Fine. Anant and Zeba are also done. I think now we can go back and start. Be very careful. It's a little typical one. Anger is an emotion experienced through all of us.
By.
True.
By.
Excellent.
By.
Through is very good. Through is the wrong word and it should be by. It can affect our lives, health, and
It
relationships.
may affect our life.
Effect.
It may.
Hmm?
Effect
Effect is wrong.
Effect is wrong.
Very good. It should
A
be
double F E C T.
excellent.
A
बहुत अच्छे. It should be EFF. It can affect our lives, health, and relationships over a negative manner.
In a negative manner.
In a negative.
negative manner.
Very nice. Over is wrong. It should be in. Anger can even lead for violence.
To violence.
It's wrong.
To
Too
violence.
violent.
Lead to violence.
Very good. It harms us more than it harms others. Often
Sometimes
anger has
Then
THAN.
very good. In place of THEN, it should be THAN. Very nice. Often anger had led to words and acts that are regret later.
regretted later.
Regretted. Very
Good.
nice. Very good. Regretted later. Anger management is important to making life peaceful.
Make it
Make
Make
make.
Make living peaceful.
make living peaceful.
To make living peaceful, not only for ourselves and for others too.
but for others too.
But
for others too.
But for others too.
Very nice. I thought it would be difficult for you, but you people are very smart. बहुत ही अच्छे. Very well done, children. Very good performance. Let me give you the next one. Let's do this one, the history of credit cards. Yes, raise your hands once you finish.
History of credit cards and
Yes, Beta, want to say something?
credit cards.
You have to just raise your hands when you are ready with the answers. Anadi and Bhavleen are done, waiting for others. Surabhi is also done. Anjali has done. Good. Four hands. Anadi, Bhavleen, Surabhi, Anjali. Nobody after Anjali? Hurry up, children, just 4 hands. Let me check now. Still only 4 students. Hurry up, please. Let's start discussing. 5 hands. Ravit is also done. 2 more beta. 2 more hands. Simpy is done. Okay, Anant. Very good. Now we are done with 7. We can start. The history of credit cards can be traced back to.
Traced back.
Trace.
Traced back.
Very good.
Traced.
It traced. Very good. Back to the 1950s, in Uncle Sam's land, buy discount cards, hitting the
Uncle
market
Sam's
first.
land.
Hmm?
On Uncle Sam's land.
On Uncle Sam's land. It is not in land. It's always on. For land, it is always on. I was standing on the land. We don't say in. Hitting the market first, taking a cue for their
Of
success.
Of their.
Of their.
I'm off there.
Of their success. Good. A club called Diners launched the first credit card.
Launched.
I'm launched.
Launched the first credit.
Very good. The launched the first credit card, which was limited to the upper segment in society.
Of society.
Of society.
Of society.
Of
Society.
society. Latter two companies named
Later
Visa
two
and
companies.
Later.
Later two companies.
very good. Later. Visa and Master really brought this concept to the people in general.
I'm brought.
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 Yes, very
Brought
good. It
this
is
concept.
brought. Very good. Brought this concept to the people in general. And today the world is flooded with these cards.
Flooded
Flooded.
with their cards.
Flooded.
Yes.
Flooded.
Flooded.
Okay, very quick revision. First line, trace was wrong. What was correct?
Traced.
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 Okay. Let's move on to the second one. In Uncle
On.
Sam's land.
On.
On.
For their third line. For was wrong. What it
Of.
should be?
Of.
Of.
Fourth sentence, launch is wrong. What is it should
Launched.
Launched.
be? Okay. In society is wrong in the
Of
fifth
society.
Of
Of
society.
society.
Okay. Latter is wrong. What is
Later.
Of society.
later? Okay. Let's move on to this one. Bought is wrong.
Brought.
Brought.
Very nice. And flood is wrong. Which is the correct answer?
Flooded. Flooded.
Flooded.
Last one, do it quickly. Huh? I'll try and finish one more before the period gets over. This time, please hurry up. Huh? Do this one, the advertising one. Let me see if someone is finished. Anadi, Bhavleen, Ravit, and Surabhi. Very good. Anjali also. Quickly, 2 more hands. Oh, wonderful. Now we can start. Let's start. Advertising have 2 basic purposes.
Two basic
Has.
Has.
Very good. Has. To inform and to persuade. Advertising can be of different kind.
Kinds.
Kinds.
Very smart. Commercial advertising from products and services.
Of product.
Of.
Social advertising, very good. Social advertising on behalf at social organizations.
On behalf
of.
Very good. Behalf of social organizations and political advertising in the interests for political parties.
Of political
parties.
of
Of political parties. Advertising has an indirect yet powerful impact for society.
on society.
On society.
On society. Good. The government has been make efforts.
Making effort.
making
Making.
बहुत अच्छे, very good. Has been making efforts to protect the public interest in regulating the content and the reach of advertising.
By.
By regulating, excellent. It is not in regulating,
the content.
it's by regulating. In place of in regulating, what is the correct word?
Regulating. By regulating.
By regulating. Very good. We still have 2 minutes. Let's see if we can do one more. This time I will not give you time. Let's do it together.
Ma'am, should we tell the first one?
I'll speak out. Let's start. One dark starry night, 7 elephants.
7 elephants.
Very good. 7 elephants decided to catching a falling star.
Catch a falling.
catch
Very good.